Well, hello, beautiful friends, and happy holidays. Welcome to Garden 1842 and Home. This is Nikki, and today I'm going to walk you through my Christmas decor to give you some ideas. These are boxes I made last week on a video. I'll put the picture up for you to check out that video, but I'm going to just walk you through my house from outside to in and give you some hopefully fun Christmas decor ideas. This is just the front of my house. My husband put the green and red lights on the posts, which I really love. So let's just stroll through and I will point out some things that I did that maybe you'd like to try and decor that I thought was pretty easy. And just enjoy, relax, and just hopefully get inspired. As we head inside, I just wanted to share a few things that I did. I actually did this entryway on a video. It was a Dollar Tree budget entryway, and I'm really happy with it. It was easy, it was very affordable, and just something a little different. I especially love the snowflakes on the wall. I'll turn the lights on here in a minute so you can see it a little bit brighter, but everything was from the Dollar Tree, and it just turned out really cute, and it really pops off my wall. So maybe try something else. Go see what you can get at Dollar Tree. This is my main floor bathroom, and I did this bow on a video also, and I just really liked it. I found that picture at Burlington and threw a rug down, and I just am loving bows. I think I'm inspired by Lynette and her love for bows. This is the garage door entryway into my house, and this is usually where everyone comes in. Welcome to my main floor family room. It is the place where we spend all of our time. I love the lights we hung on the curtain rod. We've had those up there, and they just really make the room so bright and cheery. I also have wreaths in my windows, and I put ribbon on my tree. I have lots of ornaments. My tree tells our whole life story. It is like a history of our lives together. I purchase an ornament everywhere we go, and it just makes me so happy each year that I get to open them up and remember and reminisce of what they're from. This wood tree is something that my husband made. He's quite a wood handy type of guy. I love it. And I just have some skier nutcrackers on my mantle, and I added some flocked garland to my mantle this year, new, that I had bought last year, probably on clearance. And I just love snowflakes. Snowflakes are my main theme, probably. So this lampshade, I put snowflakes inside of. I did a video last year on that. We just taped them in, and then my mom has gotten my boys nutcrackers since they were little, and this is the collection we have so far. They're so cute and so cool to look at every year. She gets them themed as to whatever the boys are into that year. So again, I just put a bow on my lampshade, and I put some snowflakes behind the lampshade. The shelves that the nutcrackers are on typically have photos on them all year long, so I just take the photos down, store the photos, and put the nutcrackers up. Then I replaced my big picture that I have on my wall with that Merry Christmas that I got actually this year at Hobby Lobby. And I just think it kind of really adds to the room. Love the lights, love the ambiance of the room. So I had purchased a snowflake topper for my tree that puts snowflakes on the ceiling, but my son was not a fan. He likes the original star, so I put the snowflake topper behind the star and kept my star. It was a good idea. This is my kitchen table, and it's set with Dollar Tree placemats and Dollar Tree plates and just little snowflakes. I use them as coasters that work. And we did get a little snow last night. And the dangly thing on the left, my husband's grandmother made, and the bulbs in the window she also made. So I always put those out. My husband got me these cute Santas last Christmas, so I put them out, and we are going to move over to the windowsill. The curtains I put up are plaid, but it's actually a shower curtain cut in two, Lynette's idea, put up with thumbtacks. And I have greenery at the top, and I have a ski theme, which we're big skiers. And then those little peppermints were actually for my cabinet doorknobs, and they did not fit. So I put them over the lights. And they actually light up a little bit, so they're super cute. And I put them on my mantle too in my living room. Put presents along the top, wrapped those last year and put them up and saved them. And just have trees and mugs in front of my stove. And just a little candle warmer light that I love. I had painted this door with chalk, so I put something up there every season. This fridge I'm gonna put my Christmas cards on, and I have a little coffee hot cocoa bar area for all my guests. This next area is outside on our pergola. My husband put lights up, and we keep them up all year, and they change colors. So he made them match the side lights, the old big bulb Christmas tree colors. They're just pretty cute, and this is what they look like on the side of the house. Well, thank you for joining me on my tour around my home and checking out all my Christmas stuff. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our video, and tell us what you like or what you'd like to see. We would love for you to come join our YouTube family. And again, thank you so much for watching, and go find your passion today.